Hi everyone, this is Jess LeProtto. Here are some tap how-tos. Right now what we're going to do is we're going to do some specialty tap tricks that I like to do, and these are just fun tricks. And as your dancers evolve and as they learn more and more about the styles that they learn every time they come to class, it's important for them to enhance their knowledge in the different genres. And in tap, what we like to do is show different tricks, specific tap moves. One of my favorite tap moves is called the Shiggy Bop, which I learned, and it's actually a fun little step to do. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to step my right foot, and I'm going to scuff like that, and I'm going to hold my balance for a little bit, like that. And then I land on my left foot, and like that. And then to the other side. Good. So if you do, awesome. So there's also a little combination that goes with the Shiggy Bops if you feel like that's a great little thing to learn to teach your students. It's Shiggy Bop, Shiky Bop, Bop. So it's and a 1 and a 2 and you go back to the other side. 3 and 4 and a 5 and a 6 and 7 and 8. One more time. 6, 7, and a 1. Awesome. There are also some fun little things I like to do. There's also one little cool routine where I do just awesome eccentric tapping. With tap, there's so much history behind it, and there's so much different types of tap. There's rhythmic tap, there's show tap, there's eccentric tap. There's so many different types of the feelings that tap and hoofers and different dancers and dance icons who made so much history with different tap steps. There's one favorite tap step which I do. So all I'm doing is just making a wheel. It's kind of like a windmill. And all I do is add a flap. Like that. Really cool things that are just, fun and specific and creative, and that's the cool thing. And also anything with toes and stuff, I also like pullbacks that lead up to the toes. So if I do a double pullback, I land on my toes. Like so. Or if you want to do single pullbacks, they go. So just cool little things like that. And then from here, you can do toe, heel, 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 heel. Cool things that are just different to, the eye, and just, it gets students really excited for what I like to see and what I'm inspired by every day. So there's also just cool things where it's just to the side, all these little things. If I do step, hop, step, I do boom, 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 boom. And also, if any case you feel like there's accents or musicality, there's also cool things to do with the toe taps or with your, you know what I mean? So just cool little things that I like to hear, and especially with students, is that as they get older and they listen to more music and as they perform more, they get the sense of musicality and they get the sense of dynamics, and they are very important to performing and learning so much about different types of music. So it's actually kind of cool to enhance it with dance steps and just be creative and just be out of the box and just have a good time. So those are little specialty tricks, and I hope you enjoyed them.